Hello everyone, I am Kshitij Khandelwal and today I am going to explain you chapter 1 Tracing Changes Through a Thousand Years of class 7 history book. Main topics of the chapter: the map made by Al-Idrisi and French cartographer, new and old terminologies, sources of medieval history and value of paper, technological, social and religious changes, region and empire, periodization of Indian history by British and Indian historians, need to copy manuscripts and some new terms. Difference between the map of Al-Idrisi and French cartographer. In 1154 CE, Al-Idrisi, an Arab geographer, made a map of Indian subcontinent. It was inverted, that is, South India was on the place of North India and vice versa, and it was less detailed. The names of places were written in Arabic. Now, map by French cartographer. In 1720 CE, a French cartographer made the map of Indian subcontinent. It wasn't inverted like that of Al-Idrisi, and it looked somehow like what the map we use today. It was more detailed. The names of places were written in French language. New and old terminologies. Here we will read the meaning of terms were also changed in the medieval history. Example 1. Term Hindustan. In 13th century, a chronicler Minhaj-e-Siraj used the term to describe the area of Punjab, Haryana and land between Ganga and Yamuna. It was the area of Delhi Sultanate. In 14th century, Amir Khusrau, a court poet, used the term Hind. In 16th century, Babur, the first Mughal emperor, used the term to describe the fauna, geography and culture of the Indian subcontinent. Example 2. The term foreigner. Now we know foreigner as a person who does not belong to our country. But in past, foreigner was a person who didn't belong to a society. In Persian, it was known as Ajnabi, and in Hindi, it was known as Pardesi. Sources of medieval history. There were two kinds of sources of medieval history: literary sources and archaeological sources. Literary sources were Tawarik and chroniclers. Tawarik were written by people for rich rewards, and they can consist of fake things also about the rulers. But chroniclers can't consist of fake things, and they were the past events in an order. Paper was very valuable in 13th century. Social and religious and technological changes. So first we will read about social changes that took place during the medieval period. Societies became differentiated, jatis of subcaste were formed, and rules of jatis were made by Jati Panchayat. Religious changes. New deities were worshipped. Temples were constructed. Importance of Brahmins and priests were increased. Idea of bhakti emerged. And in 7th century, merchants brought teaching of Quran. Technological changes. Use of Persian wheel in irrigation, use of spinning wheel in weaving, use of firearms in combats, and arrival of new foods and beverages. These were the technological changes that took place during the medieval history. Region and empire. Region was an area within a country. And empire, it is made up of diverse regions and it is controlled by a single ruler. Periodization of Indian history. So, the Indian history was periodized by British historians and Indian historians differently. So, British historians divided the Indian history on the basis of the religion of ruler, and the divisions were Hindu, Muslim, and British. And Indian historians periodized the Indian history on the basis of the changes and progress that took place in India. The divisions were ancient, medieval, and modern history, and here we are reading about medieval history. Copying manuscripts. In the medieval period, printing was not invented, so to preserve manuscripts, some people copied manuscripts. They were known as scribes. While copying manuscripts, they wrote the things here and there. As a result, much information changed. So, to know the real thing, archaeologists have to study two versions of the same text and understand the real thing. Some new terms are there which came in this chapter. Archives, which were the places where documents and manuscripts were stored. Habitat, environment of a religion and lifestyle of its residents. Patron, a wealthy person who supports another person. Thank you.